Actually, I was बहुत कुछ हुआ था before this show. I'm not being arrogant. I just think I have so much self confident on myself that I'm not gonna be stereotyped for anything. We both were dying to work together, and genuinely we both were dying to work together.
Hello and welcome. You're watching India.com Z Media, and this is Tanya Garg. And well, in conversation today, we have with us Zain Ibad Khan. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
No, I'm very intrigued by your character Moksh.
Yeah.
We'll have to start by asking कि क्या है ये मोक्ष का चक्कर?
यार मोक्ष का चक्कर, मोक्ष is a very simple guy, very lovable guy, and a very genuine guy, loyal to his family, loyal to his loved ones, and he love in abundance. And he's someone that you can rely on. He's someone you can trust on. He's not a cheat. He's not a disloyal person. But what happens in his life, the circumstances change him as a person, but the inner soul is obviously gonna be the same. So that is the conflict of his life, because there's one spell happening, and the thing is, the way we are showing Moksha, the way we are portraying Moksha, we are trying our level best to make it as real as possible. We're not playing that zombified zone that that witch has gave a spell on him, and he's just like bewildered or something like that. So we are not playing that zombified zone at all. We are just making as natural as possible. Even abhi I just did a scene when I'm sitting with my mom and I'm crying, and I just got the hint that Nishigandha is calling me up. So we are just playing as natural as possible. So I think that is the most difficult part, to play it naturally, because you have to feel it. If I am not convinced with that character, I'm sorry, I won't be able to convince you people either as well. Yeah,
I completely agree.
Yeah.
So basically, you're saying मोक्ष पूरा green flag है.
absolutely.
You have to tell me that how did the makers convince you to be a part of this show?
Actually, I was बहुत कुछ हुआ था before this show. I was locked for some other show. Initially, I was the one who approached the makers, but then somehow things were like I was busy in some other shoots. I was doing some other web show. Then I was locked for some other web project as well. But it was written for me, and it just happened.
Well, I think all your fans are really happy that you are in the show.
Absolutely.
Moving on, like as an actor, were you apprehensive कि यार supernatural genre है, so एक stereotyping हो जाएगी eventually for future roles, and also because already इतना कुछ हम इस पे explore कर चुके हैं. There's Nazar, there's Dayan. So as an actor, did you had those doubts in?
I think Nazar was one of the most beautiful and the most natural show, and I don't think, I'm not being arrogant. I just think I have so much self confident on myself that I'm not gonna be stereotyped for anything, because I think I'm not gonna be the same person in every show, because if you'll see my shades in every show, I'm a different person altogether. So I don't think that I'm gonna be stereotyped for any show. And obviously supernatural show is a little tricky part. It's a little tricky thing to accept and convince yourself. That is the most that is the most challenging part, because everybody wants to become an actor, and everybody wants to just take any project they want. But the thing is, you have to convince yourself that I can pull this character off. So I think I did that. I have like I'm genuinely living Moksha's life right now. So yeah, obviously it is a challenging thing, but yeah, I took it.
Right. Will you agree कि आजकल की audience बहुत smart है?
Yeah.
They know what they want to watch.
Yeah.
So were you like also doubtful कि उन्हें कैसे convince किया जाएगा? For that.
See, obviously, there's a very large audience. We have a large audience, and also we have plenty of content online. We have numerous of OTT shows, English shows, Hollywood shows. Now we are exploring K-pop drama. We are exploring Turkish drama, and I think obviously you have a lot of choice, but still Indian masses, they still need shows like this, because जो ऐसे हमारे shows होते हैं, why are they so famous? Why is Nagin so famous? Why is Suhagan Chudel so famous? Because there is a reason for that. Because हमारी जो inherent soul है हिंदुस्तान की, ये सारी कहानियाँ, सारी चुड़ैल बनाई किसने? हिंदुस्तान से निकली हैं सब ये. So I think ये हमारी soul है. That's why these kind of shows hit like mass, hit the roof.
Right.
Yeah.
And I have to ask about Zain and Khushi. How can I not? अगर दोबारा मौका
Yeah.
मिला, would you like to work together again?
We both were dying to work together, and genuinely we both were dying to work together. And there was I think not just once, not twice, not thrice, it happened for the like for 4-5 times that we were, we were about to work together, we were signed for some project together, but it was not written, and unfortunately we were not able to work together. But obviously we both were dying to work together.
On that note, thank you so much. It was
Thank you so
absolutely
much.
amazing
Thank
talking
you
to
so
you.
much. It was just likewise, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.